By the end of this video, you will have built a real working AI agent. Not a demo, not a toy, an assistant that answers questions from your own documents, admits when it doesn't know, and runs on your machine, for free. No code, no experience needed. Just follow along step by step. And the finished workflow is a free download in the description, so you can't fall behind. Let's begin. First, the tool. We're using n8n. Think of it as a canvas where you draw your automation. Every box is a step. Every line is data flowing from one step to the next. It's open source and free to run on your own computer. Installing it is one command. If you have Node installed, open a terminal and type npm install n8n-g. Then type n8n. That's it. Your browser opens at localhost 5678 and you're looking at an empty canvas. Create your account when it asks. That's just local, it stays on your machine. One more thing to grab, a free Gemini API key. Go to aistudio.google.com, click Get API Key, copy it somewhere safe. That key is how your agent will think. The free tier is more than enough for everything we do today. Before we build, 3 ideas, and then everything in n8n makes sense. Idea 1. Triggers. Every workflow starts with a trigger, the event that wakes it up. A chat message, an email arriving, a timer. Idea 2. Nodes. Each node does one job. Call a model, read a file, send a message. You chain them together. Idea 3. Connections. The lines between nodes carry data. Whatever one node produces, the next node receives. Trigger, nodes, connections. That's the whole mental model. Now let's build. Click Add First Step and search for Chat Trigger. Add it. This gives your workflow a chat window, the way you'll talk to your agent. Next, click the plus after the trigger and search for AI agent. Add it. This is the brain. On its own, it can't think yet. See the little sockets underneath? That's where we plug in its abilities. Click the model socket, choose Google Gemini Chat Model, and paste your API key as a new credential. Pick Gemini 2.5 Flash, fast and free tier friendly. And that's already a working chatbot. Open the chat, say hello, it answers. But right now it only knows what the internet taught it. Let's give it your knowledge. Click the tool socket under the agent and add a vector store tool. Name it Company Docs. In the description, write, search the company documentation before answering any question. The agent reads that description to decide when to use the tool, so make it clear. Under the tool, attach an in-memory vector store. And under that, Gemini embeddings. Here's what embeddings do in one sentence. They turn text into meaning, so the agent can find the right paragraph, not just matching words. Now load your documents. Open the vector store in insert mode and paste your content, your FAQ, your prices, your policies, anything you want the agent to know. It gets indexed in seconds. 2 more sockets. Memory. Add simple memory so the conversation flows. Ask a follow-up question and it remembers what you meant. And now the most important 90 seconds of this video. The system prompt. Open the agent's options and write, "You are our support assistant. Only answer from the company docs tool. Cite your source on every answer. If the answer is not in the docs, say, 'I don't know,' and offer to connect a human." That last line is everything. An agent that invents answers is worse than no agent at all. This one will be honest, and honest agents are the ones businesses actually trust. Time to test, properly. Test 1. Ask something that is in your docs. How much does it cost? You should get the answer, with the source cited underneath. Test 2. Ask a follow-up. What about annual billing? If memory is wired, it understands the context. Test 3, the big one. Ask something that is not in your docs. Write me a poem. Watch it refuse and offer a human. If it answered instead, your system prompt isn't strict enough. Tighten it. When something breaks, don't guess. Click any node and you'll see exactly what data came in and what went out. Read the red error, fix that node, run again. That one habit is 90% of debugging in n8n. So where do you go from here? You now know triggers, nodes, models, tools, memory, and guardrails. That's the same anatomy behind every agent we build. The invoice reader, the missed call receptionist, the WhatsApp booking agent. They're all on this channel, step by step. And every workflow, including the one you just built, is a free download at the link below. Import it, compare it with yours, keep building. If this helped you build your first agent, subscribe and drop a like. There's a new automation build every week. See you in the next one.